Let's talk about the book of Esther. And sino nga ba si Esther? So, on the first part of the book, they talked about the king of Persia. And it was mentioned that that king also ruled the provinces of India unto Ethiopia. On the third year of the reigning king, they had a celebration. And on that celebration, when the king got drunk, he wanted to show off his queen because the queen was very beautiful. But the queen did not follow the order of the king, so she refused to be showed off to everyone. So the king got mad. He was angered and he seek the advice of the advisors kung ano ang dapat gawin sa queen na yon kasi she refused to follow him. So may nag-advise sa king na they have to execute that Queen Vashti and look for a replacement. And the king agreed. And when he agreed, he appointed people or officers to the provinces to gather all the young virgins. And there was a certain man named Mordecai, and he was a Jew. So that Mordecai brought Esther to the keeper of the women. So Esther was his uncle's daughter. And Esther was an orphan, so wala na siyang parents. And si Mordecai yung tumatayong guardian niya. So this Esther was very beautiful and obedient. When the keeper met her, natuwa yung keeper sa kanya. And when he presented Esther to the king, nakalagay dun sa book that the king loved Esther above all the women. So in short, siya yung naging queen na replacement for Queen Vashti. When Esther became the queen, itong si Mordecai ay keep on going back and forth sa palace kasi nga he wants to know what's going on with Queen Esther kasi syempre responsibility niya si Esther. And while he's doing that, narinig niya yung dalawang chamberlains ng palace that they're plotting, that they have a plan to slay the king. And of course, Mordecai told that to Esther, and Esther told the king. And when there was an interrogation, they confirmed that that's true. So the two chamberlains were punished. So binitay sila. And after that, na-promote si Haman. So, Haman, hindi natin alam, hindi nasabi doon kung bakit siya yung na-promote, but that was what happened. And itong si Haman, dahil nga na-promote siya, gusto niya yung mga tao ay mag-bow down sa kanya. Pero, Mordecai did not do it. And the servants of the king saw it and tinanong niya, why are you not bowing down to Haman? Sabi naman itong si Mordecai, I don't need to bow because I'm a Jew. Sabi niyang ganon. So, nakarating yon kay Haman. Itong si Haman naman, sobrang galit siya. Kasi hindi ako nirerespeto nitong taong to. And dahil doon, he went to the king and he told the king about it. And he said that there was a certain group of people in this palace. And they're not following, they're not respecting the commandments or the orders of the king. So, nakinig naman tong si king. And sabi niya, so anong gusto mong gawin natin? Haman said, we have to destroy these people. And itong si king naman ay umoo. And Haman ordered to kill all the Jews at nagbayad pa siya para patayin yung mga taong ito. Mordecai heard about it and he told Esther, si Queen Esther ay sobrang nalungkot kasi people niya yung Jews, mga relatives niya yon. Nag-alala din siya and sinabi niya kay Mordecai, she has not been called by the king yet, pero kakausapin niya yung king and sabi niya mag-fasting kayo and pray for me. Tapos nung night na yon, hindi makatulog yung king. So dahil hindi siya makatulog, he looked for the Book of Chronicles. Nabasa niya doon na it's Mordecai who told about the plot of the two chamberlains. Tapos tinanong niya, anong ginawa dito sa lalaking to kay Mordecai? Anong ni-reward sa kanya? And yung sagot sa kanya is wala. So, of course, he wanted to reward Mordecai, hindi lang nawala lang sa isip niya. Sabi ng king, I need an advice, who is in the court? Tapos si Haman ay nandun sa court. So, tinanong niya si Haman, ano ang dapat gawin to the person that the king honors? So, itong si Haman, feeling niya siya yun. So, sinuggest niya na iparada, pasakayin siya sa horse and sabihin that the king delights and honors this person kasi nga iniisip niya siya yun. So, di ba? Bongga. And the king agreed. So, ginawa kay Mordecai yung sinuggest ni Haman. And so si Haman, super lungkot niya kasi akala niya siya yun. When Esther talked to the king, pumayag naman yung king na kausapin siya. Syempre, love niya si Esther. So, si Esther ay sinabi kay king na there was a decree that her people would be destroyed, should be destroyed. And nagalit si king, bakit madedestroy? Tapos sinabi niya na yun yung sinuggest ni Haman. Syempre nagalit yung king. And nagpunta muna siya sa garden para siguro ma-appease yung anger niya. Tapos pagbalik niya, nakita niya si Haman nasa bed ni Esther. So he's thinking that Haman wants to do something bad to Esther. So, lalo siyang nagalit and na-punish itong si Haman. So, si Haman ngayon ang nabitay, na-execute instead of Mordecai. And so, itong si Mordecai naman, kung ano yung position ni Haman, siya ang naging replacement. Tapos, naging safe na yung Judah. So, yun yung kwento ng Book of Esther. Thank you po for watching!